All right, so today what we have on tap here today is Sid is going to be unboxing something. Now let me tell you a little story about the whole unboxing thing. Is on Saturday morning, I opened the door and this box was kind of right there. And I thought to myself, I would love to share this with my students. So I thought that since we're having a nice, beautiful day, this would be a great day to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go pan over here and turn it over to Sid so that she can get started.
All right, so as a trained and certified unboxer, I can unbox big boxes, small boxes, and medium. Don't have any medium right now. But because it's a beautiful day, not a cloud in the sky, we're unboxing this big, anonymous box. How we do this, first step, you need a device to unbox your box. A little woodland orange. Now, some important things about a box that we learn in our training. A nicely taped box is a box that will last. And so as we can see, this one's pretty secure. We got tape on all sides. And so it really takes a trained and certified unboxer to handle this type of tape. So I'm going to start in the middle. I'm very excited, have no idea what's inside. Oh, let's wait. It's pretty heavy. All right, very sharp tool. Don't run with it. All right, the moment of truth. The reason why I do my job. Holy cow.
What? Whoa!
In the big box we have.
Word, look at the variety we have here. Dang.
We're feeding the world.
Literally. Woof. Dang, that is a lot. What do we got in there?
We got a box of seeds. All right.
You got boxes and boxes of seeds?
We got arugula.
Oh, wait.
Kind of bitter, but.
Oh, I love arugula. That is good stuff, Maynard.
Put it in your smoothie?
That's a little too much, I think.
Okay.
A little too much.
I did this morning, so. Peas.
Peas. Oh, easy stuff to grow, but really tasty, especially the sweet peas.
Now, these are beautiful.
Wow. Do those have discs? Are those discs or are they seeds?
Discs.
Disc. Oh, even better. So that when you plant the seed, they don't come up. You put the disc in and bung, bingo, bango.
Easy peasy.
Yep.
Lemon squeezy. Oh, some salad greens.
Oh, are those on discs too? Or are they
Yes.
separate? No way.
Yeah.
No, you're kidding me.
Easy sow seed discs.
Oh, dang.
You'll want these.
Look at how many seeds there are.
Endless seeds. How many do you think there are?
Thousands.
Yeah, I'd say thousands too.
Well, you know, the thing that's really handy about this is every year, just about this time, I'm looking for seeds, and number one, I can't find them, and number two is I don't have enough money sometimes to collect them, but now I can't say that anymore.
No, you really can't.
What kind, we have seasonal seeds, or do we have like all over the board seeds?
All over the board. We even have a Mediterranean kitchen.
We are Mediterranean here in Woodland.
Yeah, the best
Awesome.
thing. All right, let's play a game. I'm going to stick my hand in the box, and I want my studio audience to guess what seed you think I will pull out.
Ooh.
So write it in the chat or yell it out.
Ooh, remember, you're being seen worldwide.
Someone should organize those into groups. Lexi, you're coming over. Help me organize. I'm just a trained and certified unboxer.
Wait a minute. I thought Gracie was our TA for this class. She's going to actually organize them when she gets here. Woohoo! Thank you, Gracie.
All right, someone give me what you think the seeds will be. My arm can get lost in this box. Anyone?
Someone?
A plant. Kylie, come on, give me more than that.
She's a
Tomatoes. Okay, Anna Wynn says tomatoes.
Nice call, Anna. Nice call.
Oh.
What is it? What is it?
Morning glories.
Oh.
Okay, Mira says carrots. I'm just getting all the flowers.
Oh my word.
Mixed flowers.
That's going to be in the pollinator garden for sure. We have more monarchs than anyone to do with.
Oh, whoa.
Oh,
Garden bean.
that's a fatty. Okay, good.
Yeah, got lots of seeds in those. Hefty seeds. They're all plants. So yeah, so Kylie, you're right. You will win every time. Well, this is cheating.
Well, that's all right. Pull out 5 at a
Okay.
time.
Well, I got salad greens, salad greens, salad greens.
Well, see, somebody has already actually like organized part of it, but
That I'm destroying.
You're destroying.
Lots of flowers. We're gonna have a beautiful pollinator garden.
Exactly.
One more? All right. Well, I hope you have a wonderful day, and if you get a mysterious package and you need someone trained and certified to unbox, call me anytime.
All right. Thank you so much, Sid. And I want to thank